Our furrings are basically a 3/4, so we can see here you got the quote-unquote peak and then the valley, but we are going to do a layer of reflectix as well to make sort of a vapor barrier for the floor, just to prevent any kind of spills, any kind of, you know, water vapor, any could build up. How about it, folks? We got us what I could call a template. See, we got the Lowe's boxes all in here. Took and cut them to fit, made them work. Essentially was able to just use geometric symmetry and lay them in half, cut them, get them to fold into the spots. Got our sides cut in on each door. Anyway, we're getting stencils created for the floor. The cardboard, as we see here, has been cut to fit for the van. The cardboard has been cut to fit for the van, to fit perfectly, hopefully. And now we have transposed our cardboard onto our 1/8" Yucca board. It's very nice. It draws real good. You can get a good pencil line. Quick shot of what we're going to transfer the template cardboard to. It's 1/8" Yucca board, essentially a 4x8 sheet. We'll be able to reference off of this onto our 1/2" birch hardwood plywood. We've created one stencil already for the back part, and then I got the width where I want, where I laid on here. I'm creating the in between our wheel wells. This is going to be the middle piece, and get this thing cut out and get it in there. What's the get, hand doggy? Yeah? You helping out? Yes, sir. Well, here we go with the step portion. Been a little mind-boggling on how I want to go about the process here, which we can see of the essentially the finished template. This is all the Yucca board again. We're still on the Yucca board. Got it framed in, matching pretty good. It's kind of sitting in there rough right now, but nonetheless, we got the 4-foot sheet to here, 4 foot to there, and then it just extends all the way to the edge. Which here, this is just the expanded XPS foam. It's a 1/2", which I ripped it down on the table saw to match the height of all of our spots here, and then just kind of framed in each edge. As we can see, this Yucca board stuff's been real nice, being able to get your piece before you mess up a piece of wood. So we'll see a little one-handed install. We come in here, got our little notch, and even this thing, I mean, it's solid. Just a dang Yucca board, so pretty excited about that. Didn't want to get ahead of myself with the step. With the platform here, wanted to make sure I had all the coverage and I didn't cut my our plywood floor too short. Tried to still wanted to think about incorporating the factory plastic step, but it just was just too much plastic and too much cutting just to make it work. Just went with here. What up, folks? Just want to say a quick thanks to everybody for taking the time to view our video content and material. We really appreciate and enjoy filming and documenting our van build journey here. it's definitely a learning curve for both of us. You know, never done anything like this before, and in no way claim to be experts, but know a little about a lot and a lot about a little. So we're going to see where we can get with what we got. Essentially, we're getting the subfloor in. It's been like a month, but you know how the whole work thing kind of keeps you at bay with when our time management getting out here to be able to work on it. But we've got our fairings in, getting the insulation going, and I'm almost ready to cut out the Baltic Birch plywood floor template. Actually, the floor, we got the template cut, but almost ready to get the floor cut out and get it in. Ready for that, more than you know.